Huawei Mate XTs Ultimate Design. Let's take a look at the accessories first. The most eye-catching accessory this time is the nitride-added very small charger similar to the Pure RX. This time, the car charger has been upgraded to 100W. You will find that there are no earphones in the accessories. The phone case used has been upgraded compared to the previous generation. This year's phone case has changed from half-covered to fully covered. There's an additional window on the front, but this thing is very old school. What do you think of this purple color? Is it good looking? The appearance has not changed much this time, but it is more delicate and refined and has a luxury feel. The back panel is still made of puff pastry, but with this dark embossing and the touch will be more advanced. When you close it, holding it like this can also play a certain anti-slip role. It not only looks good, but it also feels very good. These four colors are the same. This time, the gold switch and the camera lens are not as rich as the previous generation. In fact, it is more suitable for young consumers. XTs comes in four colors, two old colors, black and red, and two new colors, white and purple. Which of these four colors do you like better? Personally, I like the white the most. This white is not that very white, but it has a little gray mixed in. It is that kind of high-end and gentle milky white. I really like it when paired with the gold. I think they complement each other.
Of course, the Mate XTs isn't just about looks. It's a tri-fold OLED LTPO marvel. Fully unfolded, it transforms into a massive 10.2-inch display with crisp 3K resolution, adaptive refresh rates, 1440 Hz PWM dimming, and 240 Hz touch sampling. Fold it once and you get a 7.9-inch dual mode screen, and fold it again to shrink it down to a compact 6.4-inch panel that can be easily used with one hand. Huawei clearly designed this device with both usability and productivity in mind.
Powering the Mate XTs is Huawei's new Kirin 9020 processor, which delivers a significant improvement in energy efficiency and thermal performance over the Kirin 9010. Heat management is much better, and the overall performance boost is noticeable. Every variant of the Mate XTs comes with 16 GB of RAM, while storage options range from 256 GB, 512 GB, all the way up to a massive 1 TB. A 5600 mAh silicon anode battery keeps the device running smoothly, and charging is handled through 66-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and even 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging, so you can top up your earbuds or other small devices on the go. On the photography front, Huawei has equipped the Mate XTs with a capable triple camera system. This includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide RYYB sensor, and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5.5 times optical zoom and OIS. The real magic, however, comes from Huawei's Hongfeng image engine, which ensures that colors look natural, vibrant, and true to life, giving the Mate XTs a strong edge in mobile photography. Here are the few camera samples comparison with iPhone 16 Pro Max and Oppo Find N5. In fact, the upgrade point of Mate XTs this time is more in the software. It only supports Pure Harmony OS and is pre-installed with Hongmeng 5.1. This is Bilibili in street screen mode. We open a video, and then in double fold mode and triple fold mode, it redivides the functional area. A larger area on the left is reserved for the video body, and the functional area on the right is divided into a video list and a comment area. You can watch the video while browsing the comment area. This adaptation is very in-depth. In the triple fold fully expanded mode, a lot of PC-level applications have been added this time. Although we don't have membership in Wande, we can take a look at it with Oriental Fortune. It looks roughly like this. I believe that friends who often trade stocks should be very familiar with this interface. In fact, this is a PC-level interface, and this is the mind map of intention. This is also a completely PC-level interface. Including this function, it is very comprehensive and absolutely PC-level. In addition, this time Huawei has added a free multi-window mode. It is similar to Apple's front-end scheduling. It's like opening a process on the computer. It's windowed, and its animation is very good. When you move the window close to the Docker bar will shrink. Including the window size, we can easily adjust what we want by clicking the lower right and lower left corners. Then we can also zoom in and out by double-clicking the top. The free multi-window management system, task management system, and PC-level applications, this productivity is definitely greater than that of the iPad. Finally, let's talk about this pen. In fact, this pen has personally interested me this year. You can see that in addition to the traditional writing mode, this pen also has an air mouse mode. If we hold down this independent button, you will find that a cursor will appear on the interface. That's what we now call air mouse mode. It becomes a floating mouse. Then up and down are for moving forward or confirming, and this is very useful when presenting PPT. I think this pen is a new way of reviewing documents. This time, it is not only for reviewing memorials, but also for reviewing memorials. Secondly, if we hold down the up key, it can circle the small differences. Then we can ask Xiaomi about the parts we don't understand, right? Then what is this and what does it mean, right? We can ask Xiaomi first, then we understand it. At this time, if we think this part is not good, we can annotate it. We think this part is not good, right? After the annotation is completed, we can export it to PDF, or it can be a picture and then share it. I think it's quite interesting. I've basically finished talking about it here. In fact, compared with XT, you can feel it from the name. This is a small upgrade of half a generation. It is not a brand new generation, otherwise it would be called XT2. The processor 9020 is a big improvement compared to 9010, but compared with Qualcomm and Apple camps, it still has a generational gap. At the same time, it is equipped with pure harmony. If you have the need for official enterprise app, you must see whether it can be used under pure harmony. But it shows very colorful application scenarios, such as the PC-like operation mode of the 3-screen Tai Shaw, or the new review form of memorials and pens. They're all very interesting, and these application scenarios are definite needs for some business people. The most regrettable thing is that the larger battery, better screen, and UTG glass that were rumored on the internet at the beginning were not seen. Well, here is my simple experience sharing of using it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.